Hey y'all, I'm kinzeyrae. Welcome back to my channel. I just cut the time that it takes to straighten my hair in half using this straightening brush. So let's get into the details. This is the Tymo Ionic Plus hair straightening brush. It comes in really nice packaging and it has a user manual with instructions on how to use it. And the brush itself is so nice. I love the sleek design. It has 134 bristles, which makes it perfect for all hair types, but especially for thick hair. It also has ions that helps to reduce frizz and have your hair looking nice and smooth. It has 16 temperature settings and it literally heats up within minutes. I also received their hair oil to try out and I love the look of this bottle. Let's go ahead and get into it. I'm starting off with the hair oil and I'm just putting a light amount all over my hair. I've already washed and conditioned my hair, so now I'm just using a wide tooth comb to detangle it. And whenever I'm detangling, I like to start from the ends of my hair and work my way to the root. Now I'm using my blow dryer with the comb attached and I'm pretty much doing the same process. I'm going to start at the ends and work my way to the root and just blow my hair out. It's definitely time to get my ends trimmed, but that's a whole nother story. Usually I do them myself, but it's been a while since I've had them done professionally, so I think I'm gonna book an appointment and go get them done. But y'all already know how it be. You go in and get a trim and end up with half of your hair gone, so I don't know. Now that my hair is blown out, I'm going to go ahead and get into the straightening process, and I'm just using a little bit of that same oil and I'm mainly focusing it on the ends of my hair this time. For the best results, it is recommended to part your hair into small sections, so I'm going to work with this area first. And before I use the straightener, I'm just going to use my comb and just go over it one last time to make sure that it's detangled. And this straightening brush is known for getting your hair really straight with just one pass, so let's put it to the test. And it does have anti-scald technology, so I was able to get really close to my root without burning myself. It did let off a bit of steam, but that's just because of the oils that I put in my hair prior to using the brush. But I will say that that one pass definitely did get my hair straight and my hair looks super shiny, so I would say that they passed the test. What do y'all think? Let's go ahead and do that same process to this next section of hair. Again, I am just working in small sections because I do want the best results and I only want to have to go over my hair one time. And this is really perfect for me because I like to switch my hair up a lot. The only thing that was kind of holding me back from straightening it a lot was the time that it takes. But like I said, this literally cuts the time in half. So I'm about to be doing a lot more straight styles for you guys. So yeah, so far I'm loving the results. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my hair and I'll catch back up with you guys when it's time to style. Here were the results when I was halfway through my hair. As you can see, the side on the left is the straightened side. The side on the right is just blow dried. So it definitely gets your hair nice and straight. And I was really feeling myself, y'all, because my hair has grown a lot within this year. The last time I cut it into a bob and it was like almost chin length. So within a year, it's pretty much like bra strap length now. But yeah, girl, I was feeling myself a little bit. Definitely still need to get my ends trimmed though. For the style, I was really going for like a 90s spiked kind of look, and I'll put some pictures up on the screen so that you guys can kind of have a reference. This was definitely something different for me, but I've been trying to explore different hairstyles, and on my TikTok, I'm actually doing a series where I'm trying Pinterest hairstyles, so you guys should definitely go and follow me on there. This is one of the styles that I am trying out right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and style my hair, and I'll catch back up with you guys with the results.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing. not a game, it's a rich thing.
So here are the results, y'all, and I love the way that it came out. Like I said, I've really been trying to try different hairstyles lately, so this was definitely different for me. And y'all know I usually add extensions to my hair just to make it look a little more fuller and longer, but my hair has grown so much, so I didn't even have to do that this time. But definitely check out my TikTok page to see more Pinterest inspired hairstyles. Also, don't forget to check out the Tymo Ionic straightener. I only review products that I think is worth it, and this straightener is definitely a must-have. I'll have all of the information in my description box, so definitely check that out. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.